earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by your side-by-side job. So, then you might ask me that, hey, okay, very great. So, but how it will gonna help us if we are rich? How it will gonna help us if we are poor? How it will gonna help us if we do not have time? How it will gonna help us if we are searching for the happiness? If you're the kind of person, then let me just tell you what actually I'm telling you in the series of how you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by your side-by-side job. I'm not only telling you that how you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by your side-by-side job, but also I'm also telling you the money mistake you're doing, and which is actually decreasing the happiness of yours and even the value of your money. And you are having literally so many big misconceptions about money. But you're following it, you're having literally so many bad beliefs about money, but you're following it, and just because of it, you are having losses. And even if I tell you, if you're celebrating that when your salary is increasing, that's what you're celebrating your problem. It's not actually your salary is increasing, it's actually still now decreasing, and it is decreasing so much. If you do not know about it, how it can be decreased if it is increasing, then go and watch my video number 1 of how you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by your side-by-side income. Why I'm saying this? I have just told you everything. If you're having money, but still you're applying wrong method of investing, spending money, and that's what is actually affecting in your happiness. And still not that. You're not feeling rich, you are having money, but still you're not feeling rich. Why? Just because of wrong methods of investing. And that's what most of the people do not know. They think, so, hey, I'm so poor, and I will be so. And even, most of the rich professions they're not granted that, hey, they are having multiple sources of income, or like they're doing whatever their job is, it is actually giving them so great amount of money. No, most of the time it is not like it. Whatever their main core of income is giving them, main core of job is giving them, is lesser. But still they are rich. Do you know why? Because they are investing their money and spending their money so properly. They are buying gold. They're investing in real estate. They're investing in themselves. They're investing in their company. They're investing in some other startups. They have made their own website. They're investing in it. They're investing in equity of their company. And that's what is giving them benefit a lot. But the one single thing is that if you're doing these all things, you need consistency. With that full of dedication and confidence on yourself that, hey, you can do it, man. And that's what also Warren Buffett said. I'm not applying any special technique of being rich and those old things, but whatever I'm investing in mutual funds and those old things, I am just holding it for a long time. And when I think that, hey, it's the right time, then it gets my money back. And that's what the most people do not do. What they want to do overnight, they want to be rich. And that's what their weak point is. You should have consistency. And that's what's the single reason. So if you learn anything from here, this series, so don't have that belief that, hey, I learned this, that. So if I will apply, overnight I will be successful, overnight I will gonna earn like wealth and literally a great amount of wealth. That's not what will happen. Until and unless you will not be consistent with it. And the thing which actually comes there is when people ask me that, okay, that's all a great thing, but I do not want to leave my core job. Or is it compulsory to leave my core job? Or is it manageable, that thing that I'm also doing my core job, a main source of income, and also other source of income? Is it okay? Or anything else do you want to add? Then let me just tell you. Please do not leave your job, whatever you're having with you. Because that job is the one which is actually giving you financial stability. Doesn't matter, it is giving you fixed income, but still it is giving you financial stability. From that, you are able to fill your rent of your house. You're able to give the fees of your school, of your children's school, of your school driver's bus. Because of it, you're able to fill your stomach. Because of it, you're able to bring fruits, food, vegetables. And that's what is giving financial stability. And that's what you need it. And just because of it, you're financially independent. So please do not disrespect it. And do not feel like, hey, I have to leave it. Because whatever multiple source of income which you will gonna do here is actually gonna take time, and during that time you need money. So that's what. So do not leave that then. So then here thing comes that how you will manage that additional source of income. So look, here's the thing that you are having your job, 9 to 5 job you're having, but after 5 p.m. or I can say the 6 p.m. you're free till 10 p.m. After doing those rest, lunch, and those all dinner, you can do anything else. At least you can give a little bit of more effort for earning the wealth of your dream. Obviously you can do. So at that point, at that morning hours before 9 a.m. and after 5 p.m., you can manage according to you. And you can invest, you can do these three things by which you can really have a great amount of money. And I'm just not kidding you, you will be surprised that by just this and even this thing, people are also there who's having a single source of income, which I was going to tell you, which is a multiple source. And for that, not worry, you do not need any kind of special degree for it, special education for it. No, nothing like that. Nothing like that is that. So after your 9 to 5 job or before your 9 to 5 job, you can do these three things. First thing that actually comes here is you can be a social media influencer. After COVID, if you observe this thing that how much social media influencers are earning, you will be shocked by it. And there are people who are not doing anything. Literally, they're not having any job, but they're just always being on YouTube, and they're earning a great amount from it. And just by it, they're buying their dream cars, Ferrari, and those all things. Imagine amount of money it is giving. You can be a social media influencer. You can post your videos on YouTube, LinkedIn, those all X, and those all Instagram, and you can really earn a great amount of money. You can be a social media influencer. And second thing which you can do is you can be a course maker. Course maker, what is course maker actually? You can make your particular course about a particular topic. Lots of people say AI, lots of people say time management, communication, public speaking. You can make your course about any topic. Then you can make it, and then you can sell it out. Then you can do ads for it, those whole things, and you can really earn. And if I tell you, it's a passive source of income. Even if you're sleeping, still you will earn from it. And even at the first one, if a social media influencer, still you will earn. If you're sleeping, one video made it, posted it, still you will earn it. Monthly you're posting, still you will earn it. While you're sleeping, while you're enjoying. Course, still you will earn it. If you're sleeping, enjoying, chilling. Because that video, that course, people are watching it. And that's what's the thing. And third thing, this one is a little tricky one, which is actually premium classes. What is actually premium classes? It's actually the classes which most of the people do like live stream, which most of the people do on Zoom, which is actually live. You're doing one-to-one or one-to-many individuals, but it is live. And you're earning literally so high. And that's what's the thing. But here's one risky thing which is actually, it's an active source of income, which is actually premium classes are actually active source of income. How they're actually active source of income as you're doing live, as it is one-to-many or one-to-one. If you will stop investing your time in those live classes, your earning will also stop, because just what you're doing those all live stream, you're just doing those all Zoom meeting, from that you're earning money. But when you will stop that thing, you will stop earning money. So for that you need time to give it. And that's what. But you do not have to worry, because I'm also having another option for you, which is actually passive source of income. What happens there, as I just told you just now, doesn't matter you're sleeping, doesn't matter you're doing your poop, doesn't matter what you are eating, doesn't matter you're enjoying with your friends, whatever you're doing, but still you will earn from it while you're enjoying the whole thing. As you must have heard this thing that, Mukesh Ambani, Asia's #1 richest person, earns literally so high in just one single minute. Earns lakhs in just half an hour. How? Because he's doing a passive source of income. What you can do in passive source of income, you can make your own course on a particular topic and you can sell it off. You can write your own book and sell it off. You can make your own song, and when people will listen it, you will get views and those all things, you will earn money. You can invest in mutual funds, and after years and years, the value of money will increase. You can buy real estates. And you can even buy a stocks of Apple or Google. It's literally so high and you will have the much more benefit. Especially imagine that you just buy a stock of it, and imagine a whole team of Google and Apple, a whole team of skillful people, even much more than you, is working for you to grow that particular amount. Grow your particular amount. Imagine how great thing it is. If you're buying that stock, if you're investing in that thing, then whole team of skillful people, if you invest in Apple or Google, will work for you to increase that stock's price. And that's what's the thing you can do when it comes to passive source of income. But the thing is that when it comes to investing in mutual funds and those all things, you need a high amount of patience, which is needed, which most of the people do not have. What they want overnight, they want to be successful. Just how you slept it. And another morning, you want to see yourself in that whole uniform of an IAS officer. Obviously, it will not happen. You have to have a patience. You have to, obviously, I'm not talking about an IAS officer. You have to obviously have patience. You have to hold on it when it will increase much and those all things. Then you will have money. Otherwise, no. And that's what? Active source of income, passive source of income. Which one is better for you? You can choose it and earn a really great amount. You have to do just these three things. First, create content. Second thing, invest, create content, and as you can do like creating content in a way of active source, passive source, courses, books, songs, live streaming, webinars, investing in mutual funds, buying a stock, and doing those all things. Real estate, do those things. And third thing, which is actually rent your position. I know, in this video I did not have told you about that thing yet. And that's what I have actually gonna tell you in the next video. Of how you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees just by a side-by-side income. In which I will actually tell you the power of renting it and how much power, how much money you can earn if you're gonna give that thing in rent to anybody or if you take that thing on rent from anybody. How you will have that benefit. So do not forget to watch it.